Imagine a computer so small it literally sits in the palm of your hand, yet it packs enough raw power to outperform massive, expensive desktop towers that weigh 30 pounds. For a long time, the tech world viewed the Mac Mini as Apple's budget machine, the cheap entry point for people who just wanted a basic desktop. But right now, something unprecedented is happening inside Apple's secret labs. The tech giant is preparing to unleash the Mac Mini M5 and M5 Pro, and the leaked internal data proves this isn't just a simple upgrade. This tiny box is about to fundamentally break the PC market. Apple is hyper-focusing this machine on a massive architectural change designed to do one thing: dominate the explosive world of local, on-device artificial intelligence and extreme graphics processing. If you think your current computer is fast, what Apple is building next will make it look like an ancient relic. To truly understand why the Mac Mini M5 is causing a massive panic among traditional PC manufacturers, we have to look directly at the groundbreaking silicon blueprint of the M5 chip itself. While previous chips made incremental jumps in raw processing cores, the M5 introduces an entirely new hardware component integrated directly into the graphics architecture: a dedicated neural accelerator inside every single GPU core. This isn't just a standard upgrade to the neural engine. It is a total rewiring of how the computer processes data. Leaked benchmarks from early factory testing reveal that this hardware shift delivers up to 3.5 times the AI and machine learning performance compared to previous generations. This means the upcoming Mac Mini won't just be waiting for commands, it will actively anticipate them, processing complex language models, real-time code generation, and advanced video tracking locally, instantly, and completely offline without ever sending a single byte of your private data to a cloud server. But a massive processing brain is completely useless if it can't move data fast enough. And that brings us to the next massive breakthrough Apple is introducing. The M5 architecture is shattering previous memory restrictions by pushing unified memory bandwidth up to a staggering 153 gigabytes per second. That is a massive 30% increase in pure speed. When you combine that massive pipeline with the news that Apple is officially setting the baseline unified memory to 16 gigabytes across all models, you get a machine that completely eliminates bottlenecks. But here is the real catch that traditional computer companies are absolutely terrified of. Because of the unified memory architecture, the graphics processor has direct, instant access to this massive pool of high-speed memory. In a traditional PC, you have to spend thousands of dollars on a massive, power-hungry graphics card just to get a fraction of this capability. Apple is cramming that exact level of high-end performance into a tiny aluminum frame that draws less power than a standard light bulb. Now, you might be wondering what this tiny powerhouse will actually look like on your desk. Following the massive, historic physical redesign that shrunk the Mac Mini down to a microscopic 5x5-inch enclosure, Apple is keeping that exact, ultra-compact footprint for the M5 generation. But don't let the identical look fool you, because the connectivity and storage options are undergoing a radical shift. The entry-level model is finally dropping the restrictive storage limits of the past, making a lightning-fast 512GB solid-state drive the absolute standard. This means you will have double the space right out of the box to store massive pro assets